Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. And what are you doing now? You are watching the videos? Good. Sight word, today's sight word is there. There. Today's sight word, there. Today's sight word, there. Who is there? Who is there? There we use there. There is a tap. There is a tap. Was there someone? Was there something? We speak. We use there like this. Okay? Who is there? There is a tap, or there is a pen, there is a book. Okay? Today ma'am will teach you cursive writing in English. Earlier we finished till H. Today we start with I, J, K and L. Cursive capital letters. Okay. Now all of you take out your pencil and eraser with your workbooks and we start. Okay. Now first ma'am will teach you formation of I. From where we start? In English we have 4 lines. Red, 2 blue and then red line. Now we start from first step of I. We start from first blue line. We just draw sleeping line like this. Just draw sleeping line like this. Okay? Then second step. We start from second blue line and go till red line. It's a second step. Sleeping line on first blue line and go to red line. Now third step. We start from here, go to red line, then come back. Fine. Third step. Again. Go to red line, come back and here we make a turn. I. Which alphabet is this? I. Again. Just take care of this loop. I. When you start joining with the letters, we take out tail at the end. Okay? I. And then next formation is of J. J says J. Again J is in 4 line. J is in 4 line. Start from here and red line to red line. We start J from first blue line here. We start from J from here, little bit down. First blue line, little bit down. We start like this. Okay. Here we start from here only, na? In J we start from little bit down like this. Okay. Then next step. We go to which line? Red line. Now see. Here we start from here. We go to red line and then come back to which line? Red line. Now here we come back on red line and make a tail. J. Once again, here you just come down, little bit down. First blue line, start from down, little bit down. Okay, start from here, go up till red line, then come back, then make a turn, J. Children and parents, please take care of this loop. Don't make a square like this. This is wrong. Just take care of this loop. Okay. Now, next alphabet K. K start from first blue line with the curve. K. First step, second standing line till blue line. Next, come back till blue line, and again now nobody will pick the pencil, come back here only. Now here you draw a slanting line, then again come back, and here again we come back on red line, blue line. Okay, once again start from first blue line, slanting line, come down with standing line, again come back on first blue line, slanting line, come back, and then come back till second blue line and make a turn. K says K. K says K. Once again I'll draw. Start from second blue line, standing line, come back on first blue line, again come back. Nobody will pick the pencil in between. Now come back on second blue line and make a turn, small turn. K says K. Now we draw L. L says L. Now look at here. L we start from which line? First blue line. First step we start from first blue line to red line. Then next step we start from first blue line to red line. Then we just turn, small turn, and then come back on second blue line. Okay? L says L. We go that side and then come down with standing line. And again here, look at here, nobody will pick the pencil. Make a small round. Make a small round and turn like sleeping line here. Again, look at here. Start from first blue line, come down, make a turn, and then make a tail. Here you make a tail at the end. Fine. Once again we draw. We start from first blue line, come down with straight line, make a turn, then make a tail. L says L. L says L. Children, finish your work and write down in good handwriting. This is your handwriting. So, write down in your good handwriting. Okay? Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.